Okay, this week I've got some more pickles, but I think what's more interesting is the ideas that I have to do with what comes from the pickles. So let's get to work and take a look. So I'll just quarter about 6 plums and remove the pits. I'll also peel this batch. You can leave the skins on and you'll hear how that can be useful later on. This was about the second batch I'd done, so I just peeled these. These guys are great on like a pickle plate, or they'd be good as a side with like a good steak, tenderloin. Sure, scrape all the juices off the cutting board. A little Malden sea salt. I'm just going to grind some coarse sea salt. Mix that all up so they've all got some salt on them. Then I'll label and date the bag. Usually I write the weights on there too for reference later on. And then we'll just do a home vacuum pack on this to get all the air out. Okay, and these will just sit on top of my fridge and for a couple of days until they're well pickled. Now these peaches were done about the same way. I think that's about 4 peaches, and I've already peeled a bunch. These remainders were being rather stubborn. Normally the skin slips right off, but you get the idea. So I'll just peel what I can, place them on a drying rack to air dry. And then they get all nice and crispy like that, and then I just run them through my spice mill and they're ready to use. So as you can see, that's really easy to do. I think what's more interesting is the skin from the pickles, both the plums and the peaches. I think the peach one would be really great with a pork, like pork tenderloin, and the plum one especially would be really good on like a steak salt. So mix either the peach or the plum powder with some kosher salt, some whole rosemary, maybe with an additional ground rosemary in there, some granulated garlic and onion, and a little cornstarch or cracker meal, and you'd have a great steak salt, pork tenderloin seasoning. Both of those are really nice. So until next time, thanks for watching.